Okay, chemical properties of carboxylic acids, salt formation. Carboxylic acid is treated with active metals, carbonates, metal oxides, and ammonia, etc. to form salts. When carboxylic acids react with zinc, zinc oxide, sodium carbonate, and also ammonia gas, produces into form of salts. Anhydride formation, carboxylic acid is treated with acid chloride in the presence of pyridine base to yield acid anhydride. Carboxylic acid, acid chloride produces acid anhydride. Acetic acid, acid chloride produces acetic anhydride. Acid chloride formation, carboxylic acid is treated with chlorinating agent, phosphorus pentachloride, produces acid chlorides. Ethanoic acid produces ethanoil chloride. Amide formation, carboxylic acid is converted into acid chloride and again converted into amide by ammonolysis process. Carboxylic acid, acid chloride, and ammonolysis produces different kinds of amines. When acid chlorides treated with ammonia gas, this carbon have the electron deficiency due to negating this electron withdrawing groups, chlorine and oxygen. So the lone pair of electrons attacks on this carbon, and the carbon and this oxygen have double bond, and this electron moves toward the oxygen. And removing this chloride produces this product. Okay. So electron come back in carbon and remove this chloride. And again, another ammonia gas abstracts this hydrogen and neutralize this positive charge, produces this amine. Introduction to polyamide. A polyamide is a polymer formed by connecting amide monomers by peptide bonds, example nylon 66. Ester formation. Carboxylic acid is treated with alcohol in the presence of carboxylic acid to produce ester. Carboxylic acids and this lone pair of electron abstracts this acid and produces this ion. Again, this double bond electron moves toward this OH and positive charge created on this carbon. Again, this lone pair of alcohol attacks on this carbon, positive charge carbon. And forms this ion. Again, this electron between hydrogen and oxygen neutralize the positive charge and removes the S plus, produces this product. This lone pair of electron attracts this S plus and produce. Again, by removing S2, this is this cation, carbocation. Again, removing hydrogen and this electron towards this carbon to neutralize the positive charge. Reduction to alcohols. Carboxylic acid is converted to alcohols by using the strong reducing agent. For example, this carboxylic acid is treated with this strong reducing agent, lithium aluminum tetrahydride, produces into alcohol. This is the reducing agent. Okay, in this the carboxylic acid, the oxygen is delta minus and this the carbon delta plus. In case of lithium tetrahydrogen aluminum, lithium delta plus and hydrogen delta and minus. So attacks this hydrogen, this carbon and this oxygen, delta minus attacks on this lithium. Again, this electron between oxygen and aluminum come back to as this carbon and removes this hydroxide and produces into aldehyde. Aldehyde is again attacks from lithium aluminum tetrahydride delta minus again reacted with another aldehyde and treated with acid, produces alcohol.